3.2, see question number first part. 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. In quiz, how many students took part? 10. Out of them, some were boys, some were girls. And number of girls were 4 more than number of boys. So you will assume let number of boys, because you have what you have to find number of boys and girls, so you have to assume its value. Number of boys is equal to x and let number of girls is equal to y. Now total students which took part in the uh, competition are 10, so x plus y is equal to 10. This is the first equation. You can write y is equal to 10 minus x. This is first equation. Now second equation. If the number of girls is 4 more than, number of girls means y is 4 more than, means 4 plus is there, so you will write equal to. It is 4 more than number of boys. Number of boys are x. So second equation you will get y is equal to 4 plus x. Now you have to solve it graphically. In the question it is written that you have to solve it graphically. So for solving graphically, firstly you will make table of first equation. Y is equal to 10 minus x. You will give different values of x and you will find value of y. Firstly you will give x value 0. 10 minus 0, y will come 10. Then you will give value 5. 10 minus 5, y will come 5. Then you will give 10. 10 minus 10, 0. You can take more also, and 3 are also enough. Now this is of first. Now second table equation, second table will be similarly x value you will give and you will find value of y. Suppose x is 0, y will be 4. X is 6. If x is 6, y will be 10. If x is 10, y will be 14. Okay, any other value also you can take, but it should be satisfied in the equation. 3 are enough. Now you can find its graph and then you will find the solution wherever they will meet, because they are having unique solution, intersecting lines, so you will get the solution. Here you can take 0, here 5, 10. According to questions you have to take these numbers. Difference should be same. Suppose you are taking 5, 10, then you have to take a 15, 20, because difference is coming 5, 5 now of consecutive terms. Like that you have to take. Now x is 0. First you will see x is 0, y 10. 1 point will come here. Then x 5, y also 5. Then x 10, y 0. 1 point here. You have to draw this in graph. I am telling you roughly. So here you will draw line. Neat and clean you have to draw line with the pencil in the graph. Then this is first equation. X plus y is equal to 10. Now second equation. X is equal to 0. Y is 4. X 0, y 4. So it will come approximate here. Then x is 6. 6 is more than 5. So 1 more than 5 you will take. Y is 10. 1 will come here. Then x is 10. Y is 14. It will come here. You will join them and you will find the solution. When you will find the solution, this x will come at 3, approximate 3, and y will come approximate on 7. You will see on the graph it will come 3 and 7. Means x value is coming 3, y value is coming 7. Now x you assume number of boys. So number of boys are 3 and number of girls are 7. You can check like this. 3 plus 7 coming 10. That is correct. Then 3 plus 4 coming 7 and number of girls are 7 only. So you can check like this. So this is question number first part. See exercise 3.2, question number first, second part. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. You have to find cost of 1 pencil and that of 1 pen. This you have to find, so this only you will assume. Let cost of pencil is equal to rupees X, let cost of one pen is equal to rupees Y. Now 5 pencils are there, so X you will multiply by 5, and 7 pens are there, so Y you will multiply by 7. It costs rupees 50. So you will write here rupees 50. Then 7 pencils means 7x plus 5 pens means 7y is equal to rupees 46. Now 2 equations you got. You want cost of one pencil and one pen graphically. So firstly you will make the table as you have done in your first part. You will make table like this. You will give different values of x. Table for first equation you will make, then you will get different values of y. So 7y will come equal to 50 minus 5x. This you will solve. You will get x value. If you will get 0, x value you will get 0. You will get 7y is equal to 50 minus 5 into 0, that is 0. So y will come 50 over 7. 50 you will divide by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 1.71. So approximately you will get 7.1. Now next value 7. X you will get 5. X you will give 5. Then you will solve. What you will get? In place of x you will put 5. So 5 into 5, 25. So 50 minus 25, that is 25. So 7y equal to 25, y will be 25 over 7. You will solve it. You will get approximate equal to 3.4. Then again x value you will give 10. When you will give 10, 5 into 10 is 50. 50 minus 50 is 0. 0 divided by 7 is 0. So one value you will get 0. Similarly, you will make table for second equation. Second equation is 5y is equal to 46 minus 7x. In this also similarly you will give value. X is 0. You will get 5y is equal to 46. Y will be 46 over 5. When you will solve, y value you will get 9.2. When you will give x value 5, so you will get 5y is equal to 46. 7 into 5, 35. You will get 11. 5y is 11. Y will be 11 over 5. That is 2.5. Similarly, when x you will give 10. X you will give 10. What you will get? If x you will give 10, you will get 5y is equal to 46 minus 7 into 10. 46 minus 70. When you will minus 70 and 46, you will get here 24. So you will get here minus 24. Y will be 5y will be, and y will be minus 4.8. So you can write here 4.8. Similarly, if you will give x 6.5, you will get y value 0. X 6.5, you will get y value 0. So 3 also you can take, 4 also you can take. Now you have to plot the values on the graph. Again, you will take graph like this. You will take here 0. Then you will take here 5, 10, 15. Here also 5, 10, 15, 20. Like this you can take. Now for first, x is 0, y is 7.1. 7.1 it will come approximate here. When x is 5, y will come 3.4. 3.4 approximate. When you will draw on graph it, you will get exact value. Then x is 10, y will be 0, 1 here. So you will get a graph like this. So you can write here its equation 5x plus 7y equal to 50. Now second, x is 0, y is 9.2. 9.2 will come approximate here. X is 5, y will come 2.5. It will come here approximate. x is 10, y will come 4.8 approximate. Here you will join them, you will join them, and you will get the point as here as 3 and here as 5. This point will come 3 and 5. So x will come 3, y will come 5. X you have taken cost of pencils. Therefore, cost of one pencil will come rupees 3 and cost of one pen will come rupees 5. So this is the way how to do question number first. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.